Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making keto, low carb, kifteh with cauliflower rice. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the keto, low carb, kifteh. You'll need 500 grams of extra lean beef mince, 1 cup of cauliflower rice, 1 onion finely diced, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 tablespoon of light olive oil. For the sauce, you will need 796 ml of diced tomato, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and some boiling water. And this is how your keto, low carb kifteh should look like. Enjoy it without putting on any weight. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!